Hi, my name is Jennifer Van Wyk, and I am a proud empath and highly sensitive person. And I'm proud because I believe that empaths and highly sensitive people are truly the key to making the world a better place. Throughout history, we have been the inventors and the philosophers and the leaders. And I believe that our gifts, our talent of having this huge heart, of feeling so much, when used properly, can truly benefit the world. And I think that's what most of us really, really want to do. And so this teleseminar is for those of you that want to learn what are the 3 common mistakes that keep us overwhelmed, exhausted, and lonely. And then not only that, but how can we use our gifts and our talents so that we can really make a difference in the world and we can create fulfilling relationships and have a clearer sense of what our purpose is. So I hope you will join up. You can sign up just to the side there, and we will start on this journey of really creating lasting, meaningful change to make the world a better